Hey everybody, so weirdly enough, I am so nervous about today's paintings. So I'm doing 3 normal paintings, I've got those all set up behind me, and then at the end I'm doing a finale of a $2,000 mirror I'm painting on. It's a complete experiment. I just took a plunge and purchased it. It was for a project and then that fell through. So you guys will be the first to see it. I've never painted something so expensive in my life, so bear with me here. This should be an interesting day. See you in a minute. I know last video I was laughing or joking about my mic not being there and me feeling naked. Someone was cracking up about that or feeling it was weird. It was just a figure of speech. I don't actually feel that way. But today I'm actually rocking the new DJI Mic 2, and I think I am the first person to ever put paint on it. So let's go ahead and do that. I think it just came out the other day, so kind of cool that I get to use it. They're not sponsoring or anything, but I actually bought 2 of them, one for my home and one for here because I just launched a cooking channel, which I'm so stoked about. And now we're rocking Pendulum Painting because it's how cool it would be to be able to cook and make paintings, 2 types of art, in my opinion, in one day. And so I'm doing 4 pendulum paintings today, and then I'm gonna go home and record 3 videos, and then I'm gonna absolutely crash. So wish me luck on that one. Let me know if you have certain dishes you want me to cook. That'd be kind of fun. So if you have suggestions, hit me up because I am all ears always. All right, this is looking really nice. I'm gonna do another couple swings here. We'll see. We're gonna trust the process because this is a great place to pull it. But what should happen is this should kind of lengthen out, become circular. So we're gonna wait for that to happen because the thing here is that the bucket normally is a lot lower, but today's pretty high up. Also, I was thinking about it, and I could probably make like one of those soundboards just off all my ad libs, just things I say. That'd be so funny. Imagine if someone took all of the like things I say in every video and made a song to it. You're like, I'm gonna pull it soon. That would be so stupid. It'd be kind of funny though. All right. Holy cow, this pattern is pretty spectacular. There's another one. You could ad lib that one, or not ad lib. You could soundboard that one. Oh my god, I've never seen this pattern before. I think I'm funny. I think I'm so funny. My mom says I'm funny, if that helps. Okay. I think I should have grabbed it before where that crazy pattern was, but let's ride it out. This will come into a circle here. When that happens, we're gonna grab it for real. This is probably a little too late, but who cares? I can always on the next one do a little bit earlier. That's what we're here for. All right. Whoa, this is freaking cool. All right. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Great exit. Later, guys. All right. This might be one of my craziest paintings. Not this one, but I'll probably have posted it already. But I'm painting a $2,000 mirror I bought off Amazon. The mirror is called an infinity mirror. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that, but I'm so stoked. It's gonna be so cool. I've not been nervous about painting a painting since probably the day I started. I've never been nervous doing this. My head is always clear, and I'm thinking that same thing's gonna happen, but I've never painted something so expensive. Normally, if it's a commission, it's different, right? Because someone's already prepaid for it. But this is something I'm just taking the plunge and just seeing what happens. I have one shot at it where I've wasted $2,000, and this mirror is gonna be so sick. But I also have to get on video to justify painting it and then potentially selling it and then shipping it, which it's in a giant crate. It's 28 inches long, it's hexagonal. and I'm really hoping I can get a circular pendulum on it. That's my goal anyways. So we'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, let's just have some fun and do a regular pendulum painting, or I guess a double swing. We've got like a teal and midnight blue background, which I love. I think this is such a cool combo. I've been doing some really cool patterns today. I know I say that every single video ever, but the last one I did was pretty spectacular. I'm gonna post that tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow. So 3 days ago for you. I tend to do a couple paintings every day, and then I have them saved up. Then I can focus on other endeavors and then come back. So that way it keeps it nice and manageable for me, because I get burnt out pretty quickly. And I'm so blessed to do what I do, and I really appreciate everybody for the love and support of what I've been able to create. And so I don't want to say I don't take that for granted, but I definitely need to have some me time as well. So play some video games. I'm playing some, no, I don't play Valorant, that game sucks. League of Legends, been playing the finals, if you guys know that game, Apex Legends, Legends of Runeterra, so all the Legends games. But yeah, all right. We've got, my guess is about 30 swings left. I know this one's running a little bit long, but I think, trust me on this one, the pattern's gonna be pretty spectacular. Something caught in my throat. But yeah, so I've got this painting, I've got the painting behind me, and then we're gonna do the main event here. Whew. Nervous. All right. See how this is coming into the center. We're actually gonna get it now. Normally I let it go flat, but I kind of like this ellipse shape in the center. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, got it. Thanks for watching, guys. This one's really cool. Okay, this is so strange, but my spidey senses are tingling, and I feel like the camera might be off. I guess we'll find out. I know I just hit record a second ago, but I always have this anxiety like I didn't hit record. Like the other day, I was filming cooking videos, and I filmed 3 full cooking videos without the mic on, and I just wanted to cry. Not really, but it was kind of fun. I got my fiance to do the voiceover, which was cool, and then I had my friend Matt and my friend Ian also do voiceovers, which was just a blast. It was really fun. So it all worked out. I think I've messed up the wavelength on this one. Sometimes when I have the bucket and the canvas swinging such different patterns, it creates just a big mess. And I have a feeling that's what's happening here. You're like, oh, it's gonna make a pattern, and then it just says, nah, I'm good. So we may have just made an absolute disaster. But the beauty of this technique is you can just paint over it and the texture stays and you can make more. So that's what we're gonna do. But in the meantime, let's just ride this out. Who cares? We're already here. So what is the worst that could happen? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But I want to trust the process, but I think this is just a dud. Unfortunate, but whatever. Yeah, this is a dud. Well, we did our best. We tried our hardest, but we did not succeed. All right, 3, 2, and 1. Got it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is a $2,000 mirror, and I'm about to show you guys why. Check that out. So, this is an infinity mirror, that's why it's so expensive, and I can change the color of it, which I think is so cool. Honestly, it's not centered, which I'm not mad at, honestly. It's kind of cool. So I can change the color whatever I want. Let's go ahead and turn the lights back on for a minute so we can talk about it. I have not been nervous to make a painting in so long, but here we are. Oh, I spend way too much money on this mirror. But this is turning out really sick. Honestly, I don't like that it's off center, but whatever. Okay, let's go ahead and change the colors again, just for fun. What color should we do? I'd control it on this little monitor, or this little control. Let's go ahead and turn the lights back off for a moment. Look at how amazing that looks. Looks so cool. But, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. I did not expect it to be this amazing. But here we are, doing our pendulum painting. I've painted pretty much everything under the sun now, and might as well make it this thing as well. So let's go ahead and turn the lights back on one more time. And we're going to grab this. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Look at that exit. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh my gosh. That was so stressful. It looks really cool. I let it go a little bit too long, and it was a little bit off center. I'm not going to tell any other platform that I did it on accident, but this was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. My heart is beating so fast for literally no reason. It's a painting. Who cares, right? But it's just cost me a lot of money. So run this up. Hope you guys have a great day. Later.